Welcome back. Goa State Pollution Control Board has given permission to Fomento's garbage treatment plant at Sonsodo and Margao. The consent to the unit is valid up to commissioning of the unit or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Here is the report.
Finally, Pollution Control Board has given consent to Sonsodo garbage treatment plant. The unit will provide comprehensive garbage treatment plant consisting of primary, secondary, tertiary treatment. Following are the functional criteria. The treated effluent shall be recycled to the maximum extent. Remaining effluent shall be used on land for gardening. No discharge outside the factory premises. The general conditions that are specified in the permission letter are as follows. The unit should obtain permission from the Forest Department, Wildlife Board wherever necessary. The unit should obtain all permissions approvals as required under the prevalent rules. Any violation of municipal solid waste management and handling will attract penal provisions. The plant will have capacity to treat 3,600 tons of garbage per annum. This plant will have the capacity to solve garbage woes of Salsette and surrounding areas.
Goa State Pollution Control Board has granted a consent, that is a permission for setting up a solid waste treatment plant at Sonsodo. Actually, there was a certain issues as far as the plant is concerned because of technology, selection of technology. So we had apprised the Pollution Control Board regarding our technology as well as the process flow also. Regarding even there was a apprehension that leachate are likely to flow from the present dumping yard and likely to pollute the nearby wells. So we had whatever the precautionary measure which the concessionaire is going to take. We had informed the board, and accordingly the board has granted a permission today.
Fomento intends to set up a world-class facility that creates an example of pollution and stink-free solid waste management unit. A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
To prevent cybercrime, Goa government has made it mandatory to all cyber cafes to be registered. Goa police have been authorized to register all cyber cafes under the IT Act.
To prevent the cybercrime and make cyber cafe owner more accountable, Goa government has made it mandatory to all cyber cafes to be registered. Issuing a notification, Goa government has authorized Goa police to register all cyber cafes under IT Act.
Goa police has been authorized and designated as the registration authority for cyber cafes in the state of Goa.
Though any time frame is not fixed either by the state government or by the Goa police, PRO said that the process of registration will start soon. It has already been made compulsory to all the cyber cafes to keep records of the internet users. With video journalist Prajot Pednekar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent Media.
National Hawkers Federation criticized Goa government for not drafting and implementing hawkers policy even after Supreme Court directions. They warned Goa government that they will file contempt petition if the government fails to come with the policy soon. The NHF held its National Working Committee meeting at Porvorim and demanded stopping of forceful eviction of hawkers and vendors, especially on the beach and tourist spots. Federation also decided to begin nationwide agitation from 14 December.
सभा में कानून पास किया है, एक स्टेट उड़ीसा वो पॉलिसी बना के उसमें गजेट बनाया, 10 स्टेट ड्राफ्ट बनाया, बट गोवा की सरकार अभी तक ना कोई ड्राफ्ट बनाया ना कोई कानून, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की ऑर्डर को वायलेट कर रहे. इतना कानून पॉलिसी सब कुछ होने के बावजूद भी गोवा की सी बीच से भगा रहे, अलग अलग जगह भगा रहे. इन द कॉमन रिसोर्स के नाम से ये जो हमारा जो हॉकर्स टूरिज्म एरिया में रहे, आज टूरिज्म एरिया को ट्रेडिशनली हॉकर्स को हटा के वहाँ कॉर्पोरेट हॉकर्स बनाने का एक परिकल्पना हो रहे. इनका खिलाफ भी हम लोग इस मीटिंग में चर्चा किया है. हम लोग सरकार को ये बोल रहे हैं जल्दी से जल्दी सुप्रीम कोर्ट की इस ऑर्डर को इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए, नहीं तो हमने कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट करेंगे, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हम जाएंगे और रास्ते में लड़ाई करेंगे.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.